Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC Flight Test, and today we're looking at the new XK520 from our friends at banggood.com. Now, we've reviewed quite a few XK models over the last few years, and they all have one thing in common: they come with everything that you need in the box to get flying. They come with the model obviously, but they also come with the transmitter, the flight battery and the charger for that flight battery. All you normally have to do is to put batteries in the transmitter and then you can go flying. This new XK model has one fantastic feature. It can perform VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, and apparently adjust at the flick of a switch on the transmitter. So I'm really excited to try this out. So I'm not going to hang around, let's take the components out of the box, let's see what we get. Okay, so here we are with the XK520. Now what I've done is I've put it together, but there's not a lot to do. Just very briefly, you have to put these plastic side parts in place. They are what hold it in the vertical position if you're going to take off vertically. Just make sure you screw those small screws in properly. You get a provided screwdriver with spare propellers as well. Make sure you put them on the right way up because there are wheels on the bottom here and they have to be on the bottom. You've got the vertical stabilizer that just clips in place, and the third thing you need to do is to put in the nose wheel, which has to be forwards like that, and you provided it in the packet with a little tiny screw that you can see there. Again, that you use the provided screwdriver to put that in place so that nose wheel stays in place. But otherwise, it's all been put together for you. The receiver and the servos and the motors and the props are already there. You don't have to do anything. You get the battery, which goes under the hatch here. Very easy to install when you're down the flying field or the park. And you get the charger as well with the power adapter. Now I'm in the UK, so I had to get one of these. I've had one of these for ages actually. I do quite a bit of travelling, so they cost £3 or £4 down the hardware store, so get yourself one of those if you're in Europe or in the UK. And I did mention obviously that you get spare propellers. Fantastic, good job XK for that. And you get the X8 transmitter, which is your normal 2-stick transmitter, but the interesting thing is you get the 3 modes on this switch here. The top one being V mode for vertical mode, so you can take off and land in vertically, and then you've got 6G and 3D mode. 6G being the fully stabilised and limited mode, so that it's stabilised and you can't flip upside down, limits the probability of you having a crash, I would say. Good for beginners. And then you've got 3D mode at the bottom there, so that it's still stabilised, still going to be stabilising in wind, for example, remove all the gusts and turbulence, or some of it, but will allow you to perform radical aerobatics. Okay, so that's it. We've got our double A's in here, 6 double A's in the transmitter, and we've charged up our battery. Took about 45 minutes. We're ready to go. Let's go and fly this for the first time. Okay, so here we are down the flying field with the XK520 from Banggood. So really easy to take off this apparently. So I've put the battery in and plugged that in. And then you turn on the transmitter and you put the stick to maximum, the left stick to maximum, and then right down to the bottom, and then the one is bound to the other and you're ready to go. So we've got it in V mode, the topmost position selected on that switch. When I put it down, I've got to put the 2 sticks to the middle bottom corners and then go to full power, and it should take off. Here we go. We're away. So now we're hovering. We go to 6G mode and we're away. So now I'm in 3D mode and I can do loops and rolls. And I'm back into 6G mode. Certainly get a lot of exercise doing that. Fantastic. So there we go, it's the XK520 from Banggood.com. A lot of fun flicking between the three modes, that V mode that puts you straight into a hover, and while you're flying in 6G or 3D mode, then you just flick it back into V mode and it's going to pop it straight back into a hover. Reduce the throttle down to 0. It's not going to cut the throttle altogether, it'll just reduce it gradually. With the wind here, you've got a little bit of control, you can pitch it forward, but not enough in this 10 to 15 mile an hour wind, so I just had to grab it out of the air, but a lot of fun. So thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. The link to the XK520 is in the product description, so please use that and have a look on Banggood.com and all the other products that they sell on Banggood.com. Fill up your basket. And you might want to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got lots of exciting Essential RC flight and drive tests coming up. So subscribe using the button at the bottom left. But otherwise, see you next time. Thanks for watching.